everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video I'll show you how you can get Bitdefender total security worth rupees 2500 for absolutely free for 6 months in the form of a trial. And this trial is 100% legit, and you will get the product key of the on your email. So let's get into it. So here it says Bitdefender. So first I've opened the Bitdefender India website to show you all the pricing. So here it says 1 year, and so currently we are having the antivirus is priced at 2450 plus GST, which equals to 2800 for 5 devices. And as you can see here, it has total security multiple devices, and it will offer various protection as well as a VPN. Now you'll find the link of the this website in the description. So here it says bitdefender.de, and try Bitdefender for free with exclusive IM test offer that is for 180 days. So this will give access for 6 months to the total security. So here as you can see, unbeatable threat detection to defend against complex malware, and there will be a VPN inbuilt as well, and it is a really good VPN, and it will not load your system too much, and it's a very lightweight. And also as you can see the competitor analysis that Bitdefender is on top, and according to it, it has lowest impact on system performance as compared to other antiviruses. So all you need to do is enter your email ID and just click here. So I'm just entering. Okay, so now I have entered my email ID and created an account with Bitdefender. So now when I click on my subscription, here it says Bitdefender total security active on 0 out of 5 devices, not for resale, and this license will end on 12th January 2022. So and I can use it on 5 devices, be it Mac, Windows, Android, iOS. And this is a really cool VPN, and as you can see there are some premium services as well: virus and spyware removal, adware removal, VIP support, home security. There's even parental control. So I hope you all like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98 for more tech videos like these. So thank you so much.